and welcome back. If you fancy knocking up these gorgeous beef koftas with yummy pitta breads and all the tasty sides that go along with it, then please stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back to the campfire. Let's get cooking. Alrighty, so first up we're going to grate an onion. Now when you grate an onion, rather than chopping it up finely, you're going to be able to squeeze way more water out of it, and this will help your kofta stay in one piece once it's over the fire. Add the onion into a mixing bowl along with your beef mince. You're also going to use a teaspoon of ground coriander and another teaspoon of ground cumin. If you can get your hands on some fresh mint leaves, then chop them up finely and throw those into the mix too. You don't have to add the mint, but it really does help to bring out those lovely flavours. Quick plug for some Cornish sea salt. I didn't do that on purpose, I promise, and hashtag not sponsored. Add some freshly ground black pepper too, and then get your hands in there and mush it all together. I'm using metal skewers for these, but if you're using wooden ones, that's fine. Just be sure to soak them in some clean water for about 30 minutes beforehand, as this will stop them catching fire once you put them over the embers. Then shape your koftas into little sausages and thread them onto your skewers, and then you're going to place them over the hot embers and turn them frequently. Now the bigger you make your koftas, the more chance you have of them falling off the skewers and then losing your kofta to the campfire gods. So I personally would aim for making smaller ones over bigger ones. For the salad, I simply chopped up a red onion with half a cucumber. I did cut the seeds out of the cucumber just to stop it being too wet and soggy. And if you've got any mint leaves left, add some more in here. That would be really yummy too. As the koftas are cooking, you can also heat up a couple of pita breads over the fire as well, and this will make them nice and hot and puffy and slightly crunchy on the outside, and just so good. Then stuff your pita breads with your salad mix, with a couple of koftas, and then a dollop or two of sour cream, and dig in. So that's it, lovely friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please wallop the thumbs up for me and feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to catch up with you next week for another video. I have no idea what it's going to be. So until then, I guess I'm going to wish you a safe week. Please keep smiling and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.